students that have been amazing. They started as interns with us. They worked at one of our offices that we have. We've found that they've been the hardest working. They have really been the most teamwork oriented students that we've ever had. And we were able to convert them. Last year we had quite a few Emmanuel students, and every single one of them actually got converted into a full-time position. So I believe leadership is huge. Since we are definitely hiring people to be our future managers, our future leaders, they've been able to come in during their internship and really start off strong.
It's really special for me, especially being at Emmanuel, because I'm an alumni, and being here with students who are familiar faces as well as seeing some newer faces is really exciting for me, and just being back on campus to recruit Emmanuel students for our internship program.
I work for a nonprofit political organization, so we're looking for students who are a little politically minded, but also who have really great communication skills and writing skills, and who want to be a part of the kind of movement we're putting together at ACT SLU. We're looking for an attention to detail. We're looking for people who have sort of a professional mindset and want to help out our organization. And I was an intern at ACT SLU myself for a year prior to getting hired full time, and I definitely think that the skills I picked up at Emmanuel in my courses and through my professors and my peers were things that I absolutely needed and used when I was an intern.
And just getting all of the experience that they can possibly get from everywhere and being able to use that to be our future leaders.